How to start a fire on a windy day, right after this. Okay, right now I'm just scraping a piece of fat wood to get some shavings. I'm using the Mora to light my fire. It has a built-in fire still in the handle. It works rather well for starting fires. I have a video on it and I'll put a link to it in the description box down below. With the fire still removed, I'm just going to give it a few quick scrapes with the spine of the knife. Now with the fire started, I'm just going to throw little pieces of sticks, leaves, some tree bark, just things I found laying around the campsite. I know this seems a little silly, but I'm going to go ahead and blow on it. I know it's windy out, and I'm trying to fight the wind, but I'm also trying to get the fire started. Sounds silly, but trust me, it works. Throw a few more sticks and pieces of bark on. Now I'm going to put a log behind it in the direction the wind's blowing. Try to keep the wind off of it from blowing it out. Throw some more sticks, leaves, bark. Like I said, this is just stuff I found laying around the campsite. Whoops, gotta put that little guy back on. Okay, go ahead, put my knife away. See how the fire still just kind of sticks right back in the back of the knife? Put it back in the sheath. We'll close the knife to the side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple more logs. I'm going to put one on either side of the fire to help block the wind coming from opposite directions. And with as windy as it is, I'm going to put one more on the back side of it. Now if you look at the smoke in the fire, the wind's blowing in all different directions, so I ended up sticking another one on the front of the fire. But if you notice, I left a little hole in the bottom of it so the air can still get back to the fire to help build it up some. As you can see, the fire is starting to get pretty good now. I'm going to throw some more sticks on it just to keep it going, get it burning a little bit better. Okay, now that the fire is going pretty good and burning that one log, I'm going to use my tongs to flip it over. Tongs just ain't for cooking anymore. As always, thank you for watching.